Hello, today I want to talk about how to take one of your songs and reduce the size of it. So this is a song from my latest album, that's right, Music of Midgley. You can see the background back there. And it's a song called Sweater Girl, and it's about, as you can see here, it's 2 minutes and 45 seconds long. So let's say I needed to get it down to a minute and a half range, something like that, if I'm on a TV broadcast or whatever. So first I'll just load in the audio file. On Audacity you can use MP3s, WAV files, AIF files, so basically any audio format you pretty much go on there. So let's listen to a little bit of this here and kind of figure out where we want to cut and whatnot. So basically I can put the cursor where I want. So here's the little introduction. So what does that look like? It's like 5 seconds. So there's the first verse. So this chorus. Okay, so let's see. The only thing she cares about are the sweaters she owns. So maybe around here. So let's say I want to get it down to like a minute and 45 seconds and whatnot. So kind of this area here. So what you do is basically you got a couple of little tools over here. You get the this little thing, the zoom tool here, this move around tool that you can move things around if you need to. And then basically the tool we're going to use is this tool here. So I know roughly that area there, so I'm just going to highlight roughly to that point there-ish. And I'm just going to hit delete on the typewriter. So it's gone. And now it's going to end pretty abruptly. So that's too abrupt, right? So I'm going to take a few seconds into it like this, and I'm going to go under effect here, and I'm going to say fade out. And matter of fact, I'm going to do it a couple of times, so I can just repeat that if I want to, but I'll just come here fade out, and that makes it a little bit sharper. So that's not bad, you know, that could work there as well. So if I wanted to chop a little bit off the beginning of it as well, say that it's a really long introduction. So let's say I was even trying to save a little bit more time. So same type of thing there. I'll just delete that part there. And on here you can zoom in a little bit or zoom out. So let's get it here a little bit and see where. So right there is when I start singing. So kind of right there. And I did the same thing, come over effect, and this time I'm going to fade in. And let's see how that sounds. Put the cursor where I want to hear it. Sweater girl always wears sweaters. So there it goes. Now I got something that's under, well, really honestly about a minute and a half. So basically I kind of got rid of a minute if I needed to do that. And now I can just go under and say export audio file. It gives you a couple of options and whatnot to do that. So you can save it to, you can do a couple of different versions of that as well. So let's say I want to export this out to a little zoom file here. And basically I got choice MP3, I got AIF, I got various formats. I'll just go ahead and say I want to have a good lossless compression, so I'll just use the Apple one here, and then you get some options on there as well potentially. Like let's look at the WAV, the MP3 version of it. You get a couple options, like, you know, I usually have it on the highest setting and constant. But if you want a little bit smaller file, this is what we used to use way 20 years ago. It was 128 kilobits. But now that hard drive space is not as big of a deal. So let's just say I want to bounce it down to an MP3. Bounce, bam, and you can give it a name if you want or whatever. And this is going to render down, and as easy as that. So once again, that's how you basically can edit files. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, it does compute. If you'd like to support me some more, go check out my music at midgleymusic.com. The Nerd Song will take you right to the Spotify playlist there, so you can listen to it on Spotify, because I know they won't buy CDs anymore, but if you did, here's a CD that you can buy that on Amazon. If you go to Midgley Music, it'll take you right to those links as well. So thank you so much, and it does computed.